Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video I want to run through one of our landing pages that's converting at over 40% in the mobile windshield repair niche. Now, it's important if you're running AdWords, especially. I mean, any traffic source really, you got to have a page that converts. Our goal for every page we work on is over 20%. This page is obviously a unicorn. 40% is ridiculous, but I wanted to just kind of run through this page with you guys and show you the proof too, because this is a page for one of our niche sites that we do lead generation in, which is mobile windshield repair. Now we have a website for that too, Auto Glass Profits, and you can see here these conversion rates, 49%. This is all the same page, no matter what the client is. It's just tweaked to the specific client's location, info, stuff like that. So 49%, 46%, 42%. I mean, this stuff, it works. This page just pulls, all right? So I just wanted to show you that just to kind of verify a little bit here. It's really simple. Logo, headline, sub-headline, where the message match is perfect. So people looking for windshield repair coming to an ad that says, hey, we can come to your house and fix it for you. You don't have to do anything. Your insurance will pay for it. They're clicking the ad. They're coming here. Hey, we can come fix it, blah, blah, blah. It's all the same. All across the whole marketing chain of events here. It's all the same, which is message match, which is perfect, which is why this page converts so high. So if you come here, you click this button, it's a pop-up, name, email, phone, type of repair they need, tell us about your issue briefly, stuff. They submit that, or they call. Click the call button, just a quick rehash of the services that the client offers. This is important, how it works, then a content block about the process of how this individual client does it, and then a little bit about them. Trust signals, if you have BBB or any kind of awards, go down here. Some happy customers, so you have here we put pictures of windshields being replaced or fixed or whatever the client has done, and then we hit them with the social proof. Now this has to be screenshots, okay? This can't just be text testimonials. That won't work. It has to be actual screenshots of social proof reviews. So this guy's Yelp. You can do Facebook, Google, anything really, doesn't matter. Any kind of review service. Take a screenshot and put it up here. Put as many as possible too, by the way. This guy unfortunately only had 2. So that's why we only have 2 here. But if you can do 6 or 8, add them all. Definitely the more the better. And then we hit them with the final call to action and click the call button, and that's it. And it loops back up. So that's pretty much the page, and this page just works. All right, I mean, it's very simple. It doesn't have to necessarily be just for this niche. We have this page designed for several other niches, and I mean, if you want, I can put an example link of this page so you can just go look at it and take what you want from it in the description below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you're interested in learning more about creating high converting landing pages, or if you want some specific pages like this one, check out the description. I'm going to put a link to our landing page course called Landing Page Academy, where we teach you guys how to build these pages and churn them out no matter what niche you're in. And also I'll put some other links in there for some other cool stuff, including this exact example page, so you can take this and start reworking it for your own niche or your own company or whatever you're trying to do with it. And start tweaking and get working. All right, guys, see you in the next video.